quick, simple but powerful technique on how to make your bad day better. This tip for a better day is all about technology. A habit for a lot of people is first thing they do when they wake up in the morning is grab their phones. Let's take a step back from that. When you are sleeping, your mind is normally calm. Your energies are calm, you are resting, you are resetting. In the morning, your brain is like a sponge, and what you feed into it will impact your day. So if it's like a sponge, the choice of what you feed it is yours. But imagine if the first things you feed it are a complete bombardment of random social feeds, accumulation of everyone's opinions, their frustrations, even their anger. Everything they are posting, world news, gossip. How are you reacting to that anger outburst online before you've even got out of bed? That's how you're starting your day? Is that really what you want your brain to be focused on straight away? Now, I have changed this recently. I no longer have my phone in my bedroom. I now have an old-fashioned alarm. What I do is I wake up, I do my morning routine, and then when I'm ready, I'll check my phone. So my challenge for you is for the next few weeks after you've woken up, leave looking at your phone for 1 hour. Let yourself wake up fully, absorb the morning, set your intention for the day and determine your own day rather than what you are being fed by your social media. Because the truth is, all of that feed information is being absorbed by your brain and will affect how you're feeling. So you want to have a better day, leave the phone for an hour, ditch the old habit, get yourself a better one. Hope that's helpful and I'll see you soon.